Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language settings on Discord. So for it to be able to change your language settings from one language to another, here's how you can get it done. You click on the getting, which is your user settings on it. Then you scroll down a little, then you click on language. From here you can change your language from one language to another. Like right now, I just click on this, so I have to take it back to the normal language, official language, which is, you can see, which is English. Just gonna pick this, which is English US. You can see if I want other, I want Espanol, France, just name your country. They are all there. So I'm just going to official language, is the English language, which is the United States as well. So find this video for like and follow. Thank you.